right? Given that integrate from 0 to 3 fx dx is 2. We don't know the function fx, but we know the answer because it's a definite integral and there are numbers there, 0 and 3. So the answer, final answer is 2. Okay, the final answer is 2. Then on, you are given the value of another integral. Okay, integrate from 3 to 0. Gx dx, the answer is -3. And again, this is a definite integral, although we don't know the function, but we know that the final answer should be a number, and that number is given to us. It is -3. So two definite integrals, the answer is given to us. Okay or not? You understand the question? Okay. Then find the value of this. Okay, find the value of this means they want us to find the value of this definite integral, which is the sum of the two functions, the sum of the two functions. Okay, then the second part, you are also asked to find this definite integral, which is 3gx minus 2 dx. Okay, right. So now I'm going to do the first part. What is the first part? The first part is this one. Find the value of this definite integral. So this one I copy here. Okay, so I copy here, and this is what I need to find. Now integrate from 0 to 3 fx plus gx dx. What did the important result tell us? You can separate them. Although you want to integrate the whole thing, but you can actually separate them. How to separate them? Separate them like this. Okay, the fx, integrate fx and integrate gx separately. And the limit is from, the original limit is from 0 to 3. So for the fx also 0 to 3, for the gx also 0 to 3. Okay or not? So far okay or not?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, okay, right. So next one. So now this fx, I just copy down, right? But there is something in this gx, because I am given 3 to 0. What I want to find is 0 to 3. So I want to find 0 to 3. How is it related from 3 to 0? You just put down 3 to 0, but you have to change the sign in front. Is that okay or not? This is the previous result that we have learned. If you invert the upper and lower limit, you have to change the sign. Can remember or not?
Can, teacher.
Can. Okay, continue. Right. So next one, 2, the orange color, the definite integral answer is 2. The green color, the definite integral, the answer is -3. Now the green color is -3, it doesn't include the negative sign that is due to the inversion of the upper and lower limit. This is another thing. Now this one is another thing. They are two separate things. The negative outside and the green color definite integral, they are two different things. So when you substitute in the value for the green color, the negative sign outside remain. So it becomes -3. So answer is 5. Any question?
No, teacher.
No question. Okay. So we go on to the start. I want to find this definite integral from 0 to 3, 3gx minus 2. Now, if you look at this definite integral, it consists of two parts, 3gx and -2. 3gx is an unknown function. -2 is something that we know. It is something that we can integrate. Okay or not?
Okay, teacher.
gx and the number 2. Gx, we don't know how to integrate unless they give us the answer. But -2, we know how to integrate. Even they don't tell us also, you must know what to do. Okay, this is what I'm going to tell you. This is what I'm trying to tell you. Now, according to the important result, we can separate the two of them, the 3gx and the 2. So I separate them in this way. Integrate from 0 to 3, 3gx dx. Since here minus, so I put minus. Integrate from 0 to 3, 2 dx. Okay, right. Now this integration, 3gx, according to the second important result, the 3 I can take out. I'm going to do step by step, right? So I just take out the 3 first. Then, according to the second definite integral, you want to integrate 2, it is actually 2x. Remember this result when we did integration, right? Integrate 2 is 2x. The same thing, I need to substitute in 0 and 3 according to the upper and lower limit. Is this okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, I can follow, right? So continue. Next one. Now this gx dx, 0 to 3, I don't know. I only know from 3 to 0. So never mind lah. I just put down 3 to 0, but I put a negative sign in front. This is according to the previous result number 3. Over here, the negative is still outside. I substitute in 3 and I substitute in 0. So it's 2x is 2 times 3, 2 times 0. So far okay or not? And another girl Chen Tong, okay or not? Can follow or not, Chen Tong?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, Chen Tong also okay, right? So now this thing, the 3 to 0, it is given. The blue color one, the value is given. What is that value? That value is -3. Oh, this -3 is from the given definite integral. And the negative here is from our knowledge of important result. They are different negative. Don't mix up the two negative, right? So here -3 is +3. +3 times 3 is 9. So it's 9 minus 6. Answer is 3. Any question? No, right. Now, can you see this thing here, the whole thing here? Can you see this thing until the end of the page there? Can see or not? Is the video blocking this thing here?
Can see, teacher.
Can see until the end, Okay, right.
Yeah,
so,
can.
What I'm trying to tell you here is, now in our definite integral, we say that fx plus gx is the same as integrate fx, then integrate gx, the sum of them. But if it is not plus or minus, if it is multiply, can you say that I integrate this one, multiply with the integration of the integrate of fx, multiply with the integrate of gx? Cannot. This result is only true for addition and subtraction. You cannot use the result for multiplication. Okay or not?
Okay, teacher.
So you cannot use it for multiplication. At the bottom here, can you see or not? Is our picture blocking?
Can.
Not blocking. Okay, now let's say if I have a division, quotient of two functions, fx divided by gx, I want to integrate them. Is it the same as integrate fx, then divide by integrate gx? Cannot. Multiplication and division cannot. So you see, I put the not equal sign there. Cannot.